Birdie? I heard it.
Oh.
Oh no.
Oh.
Do birds normally do that?
Well, if
Eat
it's a
other
hawk,
birds?
if it's a hawk or something, or a kestrel, that's the word I was going for.
I guess so.
Oh. Now we're gonna have the melancholy music over the "now I no longer have a bird" montage.
Mm-hmm. And even though people sort of like me now, it's not the same without the bird.
So I can't walk through these people anymore. They're roadblocks now.
Okay.
Because they like you now.
Which meant to actually advance, I kind of had to avoid the crowd, which I wonder if that was deliberate.
Hmm.
Birdie?
Hmm.
Oh, those are just memories, okay. God, don't do this to me with this music game. I like how all three of us are just kind of in a wordless, like, state at this point.
This is the kind of games we play through.
I mean, it's Freebird Games. What did you expect? But
Mm-hmm.
oh, is he recollecting the pages that got scattered
Oh.
in that other
Maybe.
pile there?
Hmm. Hmm.
Still holding out hope. another thing that really impresses me here, like telling an entire story without any dialogue, without any words, just like relying on the characters to make gestures, like this telling an entirely visual story. That's impressive enough anyway. Doing it in RPG Maker? Good God. Oh, I heard the bird. With an echo effect. Just the way this character would have to be all animated and have, you know, the right expressions and gestures and motions for everything.
And such a tiny sprite as well.
I know.
Hello, bird.
Birdie.
He has a friend!
Looks like that.
Oh.
Look, I could fly.
I was about to say, it looks like that that bandage or splint or whatever it was is about to fall off. It's just kind of dangling there. Yeah.
There you go. Set it free.
Oh.
Free! Free!
Oh, what have we got there?
It's a plane!
Oh.
Oh! You want to play Catch the Plane again?
But we can't fly on this. Ah! Ah!
Bird hug! Just grab one in each arm and fly away.
Oh my gosh, is that what I'm actually about to do?
I think it is.
Release the doves!
Oh no, I'm just. Oh.
There we go.
You got an achievement.
There we go. That was lovely.
That was.
And nothing tragic happened.
It was bittersweet. I actually did get a little choked up at the ending there, but nothing compared to the loud, gross sobbing that To the Moon did to me.
I still want to hug you from that. It's so sad. I'm just sitting there and quiet, only hearing you sob. I'm just like, ah. Drive.
Bird friends.
Oh.
Oh, they got an island of their own. Oh.
Yep, here we go.
Oh, there he is. So this is going to be interesting now that coming one day. Yeah, I like this. I like this release schedule. Knowing the start of the story, or at some point within the story, instead of going backwards and finding out more.
Well, I'm definitely hooked. I cannot wait for Finding Paradise. I mean, we've been looking forward to this ever since we finished To the Moon, but this just, this only helps further. And David, you're going to be with us for that, right? You'll have actual
Absolutely.
You'll have actual
Absolutely.
lines and like characters to play and stuff this time.
One of us.
Yeah, that's right.
Obviously, the roles of Dr. Watts and Dr. Rosaline are spoken for, but I'm sure you can be the patient if you can come up with like, what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different versions of a voice for the different ages.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, I had to do that with Johnny. It was fun. Yeah, that's I can't wait. That's going to be all sorts of fun. And thank you everyone for watching this. And the team you have here will be back someday for Finding Paradise when that's out. And we cannot wait. And we hope to see you soon. Take care.
All right.
Bye.